If you've watched my previous videos, you know that I recently sold my Galaxy Watch. It's left a mark, should we say, and after 2 years of wearing it continuously day in, day out, I have literally felt completely and utterly naked. But now, after a long 2 weeks without it, I have its replacement, the Galaxy Watch 3. So let's get it out of the box and see what this bad boy looks like. So there we go, the Galaxy Watch 3. This is the Mystic Black version. Again, I don't know what's mystic about it, but there we go. So Watch 3, and this is the LTE or 4G version as well, which is the same as what I had for the Galaxy Watch OG. I don't mind telling you, right, I am not a big watch guy. I never wore watches really. Occasionally I did, but that's just on the odd occasion when I was trying to look smart, maybe wearing a suit. And I did have the Moto 360, as you can see in my previous video up here, and check out my thoughts and impressions on having the Galaxy Watch for 2 years. But yeah, let's get this out of the box so I can not feel naked anymore. And look at that tan line, 2 years of watch. I don't even sunbathe, that's just, I think my colour's just faded in my natural colour. But hey ho, here we go. The watch, first of all, the box is so much better than the original Gear Watch. So Gear Watch, the Galaxy Watch. That was just a big black horrible design. It didn't have the rubber strap, whereas this looks much more premium. Presentation wise, looks a lot better. It's actually how you would buy a premium watch. Obviously they took inspiration from certain smartwatch manufacturer named after a piece of fruit. That's clear to see from the box. However, from the actual watch design itself, this is nothing like it. This is unique and different and better than, looking at it in hand as well. Sorry, I'm not talking because a little bit speechless. It is actually genuinely beautiful and so much nicer than the last one, which I really like the last one, but this looks so much better. The screen's bigger, the bezels are smaller, it's thinner, it's lighter. Yeah, let's have a look at what else. Where's the charger? There we go. Not gonna lie, I panicked there, thought I got left out of a charger. But hey, just charge it off, you know. Paperwork. And more paperwork. Let's go to the other end, shall we? And a cable. That's it, that's all the box. As always, flatten the box to make sure there's nothing else in there. So what I did like about the other one though is it did have like a watch stand for charging it, whereas this is just a small little circle. I'll peel that off. So yeah, it does look tidier. It is a cleaner aesthetic, but I did like putting the other one on like a nightstand or onto a desk and charging it, and you can see the time and you can see notifications that lit up as well. Whereas that, it ain't bad. That'll look alright. It's just a shame it's not upright like that so you can see it. So let's turn this on. I am off to get this set up. I will be doing a first impressions and I will be doing a review, so make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down there somewhere and I'll find them, I'll reply, and I'll also answer any questions that you have in my video coming up. But look at that. Tasty. I don't actually know what features are available at launch in the UK, because everything you see is all about America and Korea. So it's like there's certain features available in Korea that aren't available anywhere else, but are coming to the States. They never actually mentioned anything about the UK, so it's a bit annoying, but I will find out firsthand and I shall let you know. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you soon.